This morning, some Americans are playing a game of chicken with prices.
Pick up the things you need, but the tariffs are going to make the prices go through the roof.
When I first thought about it, I had that initial wave of panic.
Let's face it, prepping isn't cheap. Between stockpiling supplies, building resources, and staying ready for anything, the costs can add up fast. But what if I told you that your prepping lifestyle could actually make you money? Stick around, because today we're revealing income-boosting secrets tailored specifically for preppers like you. Prepping is more than just survival. It's a mindset for long-term resilience, and that includes financial independence. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your prepping habits into powerful income streams that support your lifestyle and prepare you for an uncertain future. To get started, you'll need a prepper's mindset, resourceful, self-reliant, and ready to act. Add in some basic financial literacy, a willingness to learn, and access to a few essential tools like the internet, a smartphone or laptop, and you're set to go. Here are 5 income-boosting strategies preppers are using right now. Sell or barter your surplus. From homegrown produce to handmade goods, extra resources can be converted into cash or trade. Start a YouTube or blog. Share your prepping knowledge. Add revenue and sponsorships can turn your passion into profit. Teach online classes or workshops. Offer survival, gardening, or homesteading lessons. People pay for specialized knowledge. Invest in alternative assets. Think gold, silver, or even crypto. Diversifying income protects against market collapse. Launch a side hustle. Freelancing, remote gigs, or even selling prepper gear online can generate steady income. Take Lisa, a homesteader in Montana. She turned her garden surplus into a farmer's market booth, now earning over $500 monthly. Or Jake, who runs a prepper blog that brings in ad revenue year-round. Start small and scale up. Focus on skills you already have. Document everything and reinvest your profits. And remember, consistency beats speed when building sustainable income. Common pitfalls? Trying to do too much too fast, ignoring online tools, or failing to market your product or service. Stay focused, track your progress, and adapt when needed. Prepping isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. By applying these strategies, you can create financial stability and even long-term wealth, all while staying prepared for the unknown. Now it's your turn. Which strategy are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more prepping tips that help you survive and succeed.